Can we give the PSG group another round of applause? Thank you them for always supporting our children here in Rulang. Next up, the primary three teachers will be playing a guessing game with all of you here. This game is going to be led by Miss Sung, and you will get to guess who is the teacher on the screen. So, raise your hands to welcome Miss Sung to lead the game. Can you open up the screen or the stage so that you can see the screen? Okay, I want total silence. I need the visualize the screen now and the slide for guess who. Okay, before I start, I want total silence and all of you must sit up straight. If you don't sit up straight and you're busy talking, it means you're not ready to guess. Okay, most of the teachers or staff here, you might not be teachers here, some of them might be staff from Rulang Primary School itself. So these are the people that you see and meet every day. Okay, so everyone ready? Miss Lee will be my assistant. She'll be giving out the prizes if you guess correctly. Okay, but before you start the guess, I have to set some ground rules. If not, I cannot have everybody running to me and answer me, Mr. I want to guess! Okay, I don't want this kind of thing. So, in order to actually get my attention, what do? Raise your hand. But of course, you cannot say, oh, I know, Mr. You stand, you jump. I don't need you to do that as well. So basically, very simply, when we say, let's